friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today's video is about the 5 best things that every crocheter needs to have at their fingertips and how they're going to help you become better crocheters. Having these tools nearby will reduce stress, save you time, and give you a higher quality finished object. So here are the tools that you're going to need to make sure you have with you at all times. So the first item that I recommend having is a really good quality project bag. So this is the one that you get when you subscribe to Happily Hooked magazine, and you can do that in the link below. But this one is amazing. You're not going to finish your project in one sitting 9 times out of 10. Maybe if you had a couple hours to sit still, but I know as a mom, I'm busy, I have kids, I can't sit still, and I can't knock out a sweater in one day. It's just not going to happen. So having a good quality yarn bag is perfect for that. This one has eyelets in the top so you can pull your yarn through them, a pocket on the front of it so that way you can hold all your notions, which I will get into, and then I love it because it's got a handle on it, so if I am out crocheting, I can hold it in my hand and crochet as I'm walking. We do that a lot when we go to the park. The second thing you're gonna want is stitch markers. I have this little container of stitch markers, and then I have a bunch of them sitting here in my pocket. I love using stitch markers. And as good as your memory might be, it's not gonna be dependable to make sure you know where you are in stitches, especially if you're crocheting in the round when you're out and about, or even just trying to get through a couple rounds while your kids are running around. So stitch markers, make sure you have them close and make sure you have a bunch of them because you never know when you're gonna need them. The third thing I highly recommend, tapestry needles. I love tapestry needles. A bunch of them will come in little containers like this. Makes it so much easier to keep track of them because, I'm not gonna lie, I've got a couple of them in my little bag that I'll probably end up losing at some point. Here they are. These make your projects look so much better when you finish them up. Instead of just snipping off the ends and having a little piece hang out of your beanie, you can weave this in and hide it, and it makes it look so much better. So the fourth thing that you need to make sure you have on hand when you are crocheting, your favorite yarn. So right now, my favorites are the Lion Brand Color Made Easy and the Feels Like Butter. I'm obsessed with them. I mainly crochet bulky and worsted weight, so that's what I'm using right now, because you don't have to use the yarn that a pattern calls for. As long as the yarn weight is similar to what you're doing and you match your gauge, use what you love because there's no reason not to. And the last thing I'm gonna recommend, number 5, ergonomic hooks. A good set of ergonomic hooks will change the game. I don't want to go anywhere without my hooks. This is important to me. I can crochet short times, long times, my hands don't hurt, my wrists don't hurt. You want to make sure you have a good sturdy set with you. At Happily Hooked, we want you to be stress-free and pain-free when making our patterns, which is why we give you guys these ergonomic hooks and this amazing project bag when you subscribe with us. So why wouldn't you? Subscribe at the link below, and I cannot wait to see what you make first. Bye guys.